2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, security system, heated front seat, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.